Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. It's a pretty day out, real sunny, but the temperature's only about 12 degrees. So I ran out of the firewood that I gathered the other day. I'll put a link to that video right here. But definitely I need to get some more wood because it's supposed to go down to about, I think they said 2 degrees or -2 tonight. So I really don't want to just rely on the propane because that is somewhat expensive. So I did find some slab wood, and it's just around the corner from our farm here. I'm gonna go pick up 2 bundles. But the first hurdle I got to get over is getting my gooseneck trailer out because it's buried right now. So I got a pretty good mess right now to try to get that truck back to the trailer. That's kind of a pretty big pile there. So I'm gonna see if I can back up here at an angle and get this thing hooked up. So if not, if I can't get the truck back, I'll have to get the tractor out and push the snow away from the hitch. But that's the first thing on the agenda, is get this trailer hooked up. I got to meet the guy here in about a half hour. So let's get this trailer hooked up and get on the road. That was not fun at all. I did get it out though. Got it all hooked up, shoveled off, got my chains and stuff ready to go. Getting to it wasn't that big of a deal, but once I got hooked up to it, I had to hammer it. So let's go get those slabs. Well, we got them on there. It's pretty much oak, quite a bit of it. I mean, it's pretty good chunks, but like I said, it's slab wood, so it's not as, it doesn't give you as much heat for as long as regular split wood, but it'll do for now. So next up is, let's get this stuff cut up. I'll probably try to just cut up 1 bundle today and then get the next one tomorrow. So let's get the steel out and get cutting. Well, this is always a problem with slab wood, especially when they only have one band in the middle. The two bands are better. So I'll finish cutting through there, then I'll have to unband this and just cut it in half. Probably I'll have to cut it in threes, which I might just get the chop saw out and use that. And another downfall on this wood is this dirt. That is torture on the chainsaw blade. But when you're in a pinch, it works. Just have to resharpen the blade more often than you would just cut normal wood. Alright guys, well, sun's setting on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get wrapped up here, put stuff away, and continue tomorrow. I'll probably have to get somebody to stand on the wood while I cut it. It's just, that's slab wood. That's the pain in the butt that it is. And like I said, the dirt that's on slab wood from them dragging it out of the woods or whatever is horrible on the chain. You constantly got to resharpen it. But for 20 bucks for all that wood, you can't beat it. That'll burn just as good as split wood, maybe hotter sometimes because you're constantly putting it in there. It's all oak too, which is really good. So it should give me some good BTUs for now. You know, the next 5 days is supposed to be cold, but then it's going up to 45 degrees with rain, but then going back to 25 after that. So it's going to get really messy around here in the next few days, few weeks. And at least I'll have some wood. But anyways guys, I'm gonna call it quits for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.